Why is the Linux kernel's process scheduler so intelligent? Imagine a busy kitchen where chefs need to prepare different dishes at the same time. The process scheduler in the Linux kernel acts like the head chef, making sure every dish gets the right attention. It manages how the computer's brain, the central processing unit, divides its time among many tasks. This way, the system stays responsive and efficient. The scheduler decides which task gets to use the processor, for how long, and when to switch to another task. It does this so that all processes share the processor fairly, even though only one process can run at a time on a single processor core. It uses tiny slices of time called time slices, switching rapidly between tasks so it feels like everything is happening at once. What makes the Linux scheduler so smart is its use of advanced algorithms. The main one is called the completely fair scheduler. This scheduler keeps track of how much CPU time each process has received using a special data structure called a red-black tree. It sorts processes by their virtual runtime, which is how much CPU time they have used relative to their priority. This way, no process gets left behind or starved for CPU time. The scheduler also supports different types of processes, like normal tasks, real-time tasks that need immediate attention, and low-priority background jobs. This flexibility allows Linux to handle many kinds of workloads, from everyday desktop use to critical real-time systems. The scheduler adjusts process priorities dynamically. If a process is behaving well and not using much CPU, its priority can increase, giving it more chances to run. If a process is hogging resources, its priority can decrease. This helps keep the system responsive and fair. When a process finishes or yields the CPU, the scheduler quickly switches to another process, minimizing wasted time. It also supports special schedulers for real-time tasks that need very low latency and energy-efficient scheduling for devices like smartphones. Handling many processes at once requires careful coordination. The Linux scheduler uses flags and locks to make sure decisions happen smoothly without conflicts. It is designed to preempt or interrupt tasks when higher priority processes need to run. This preemption keeps important tasks from waiting too long. All these features work together to make the Linux process scheduler very intelligent. It balances fairness, speed, and responsiveness, making Linux suitable for everything from powerful servers to tiny embedded devices. Its ability to adapt to different workloads and priorities is what makes it stand out among other operating systems.